am Josh, and I'm back with another science video for you today. Isn't the human body amazing? Think of all the things it does every single day. Think of all the parts in your body that work together to make one simple thing happen. It's mind-boggling. Once you break the body down into systems, how your body works starts to make a little more sense, but it doesn't make the human body any less amazing. Your body has a ton of systems that work together to keep it functioning properly.
You have the skeletal system, the nervous system, the circulatory system, the integumentary system, the endocrine system, the muscular system, the respiratory system, the urinary system, the lymphatic system, the excretory system, the reproductive system, the digestive system, and the immune system.
Phew, that's a lot of systems. In 5th grade, we learned about 4 different systems: the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, and the excretory system. However, I'm only going to talk to you about the digestive system today because I think it's the most interesting. Hopefully, after watching my video, you'll have a better understanding of how your body works. What are your favorite foods? Some of mine are pizza, broccoli, and nice warm chocolate chip cookies. Yum! Without your digestive systems, we wouldn't be able to eat all that delicious and nutritious food that we need. Our body needs the nutrients from food to help it work properly. It needs carbohydrates like bread, rice, and pasta for energy. Proteins such as beef, beans, and eggs replace, repair, and grow new cells and tissues. Vitamins and minerals like fruits and vegetables to help our nerves work. Yum, this is great. I can feel my nerves working better already. And fats like butter and oil for energy and to keep our skin healthy. So the digestive system works to break down the food we eat into smaller pieces that we can use and also helps release the nutrients we need. The organs in the digestive system sort of work like an assembly line in a factory. An organ gets food pieces, then it processes them and moves them on to the next organ to do their job. It's actually a very long path of organs. Did you know an adult's digestive system is about 30 feet long? Wow!
The mouth is the very beginning of the digestion process. Your teeth bite and chew food into smaller pieces so it can move through the system. Your tongue works to mush food around and mix it with your saliva. Saliva actually starts breaking down your food while it's still in your mouth. Then you swallow your food, and it goes down a muscular tube that pushes food into your stomach. That tube is called the esophagus. The muscles in your stomach mix and churn the food with the acid until it is a soupy mix. The stomach lining releases fluids that help the food break down while it churns. The enzymes and acid in the stomach break down and digest the food, especially proteins. After about 1 to 3 hours of being a soupy mix in your stomach, the food is well on its way to being nutrients your body can actually use. From the stomach, the food enters the small intestine, where most of the digestion takes place. Food breaks down even further here with the help of chemicals from the liver and pancreas that enter the small intestine. The chemicals help the fats and carbohydrates to digest. The proteins are completely digested at this point. While the food is in here, the nutrients pass through tiny finger-like folds called villi that line the small intestine. The nutrients go from the villi to capillaries and then travel through the circulatory system to cells that need those nutrients. Next, the food that hasn't been digested moves on to the large intestine, where water and minerals are sucked out and go to the blood. There's a tube called the colon that is a majority of the large intestine. Anything that hasn't been used by the body at this point is passed as solid waste.
Remember what liquid starts helping at the very beginning of the digestive system? That's right, it's saliva. Saliva works with your tongue and teeth to moisten the food you eat and start breaking it down. It's produced by salivary glands, which are located at the back and bottom of your mouth. Saliva is a special liquid because it contains a chemical called enzyme. There are actually hundreds of different enzymes in your body. Enzymes are cool because they are catalysts. This means that they start chemical reactions. The reaction that saliva amylase, or the enzyme in saliva, is breaking down the starch in the food we eat. The saliva helps to break the starch in foods down into smaller starches, and then eventually the starch is changed into sugar. I want to show you how this process works with a little demonstration. I need to gather my materials, which are cornstarch, 2 crackers, iodine, and 2 glass bowls. Iodine turns a darkish bluish, almost black color when it touches starch. I'll prove this to you by adding a couple of drops to this cornstarch here. I'm going to simply break up this first cracker into this bowl. This cracker has not touched saliva. I'm going to take this second cracker and chew it up until it's nice and mushy. Instead of swallowing it, I'm going to place it into the other glass bowl. Now I will put a few drops of iodine onto each cracker. Let's see if there's a difference. Now I will add iodine to the chewed up cracker. The crushed up cracker is darker than the chewed up cracker. The enzymes in my saliva started off as a biochemical reaction and broke down the long starch molecules into shorter sugar molecules. Very cool how this demonstration showed us this, right? I hope you enjoyed my video about the body's digestive system. I had fun making it. Maybe next time you eat breakfast, feel hungry, swallow your saliva, or eat your favorite food, you'll think about how hard your body is working to do this normal, everyday activity. Remember to treat your body well by eating food that will help it out. Have a scientific day!